It is such a cold, rainy day. All right, just got to LaGuardia. Going straight into the restroom and gonna go do my makeup. I was talking with my Lyft driver the whole time to LaGuardia, so I didn't have time. I didn't really want to do my makeup and talk to him, so I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna do it when I get there. So LaGuardia bathroom lounge, here it comes. All right, guys, I'm deadheading, so it means I sit in a passenger seat and I'm kind of working the flight, but I'm not. I'm a passenger and I'm deadheading to Charlotte, and then I work the flight back from Charlotte back to New York. Oh yeah, did I tell you guys what I was doing? Yeah, Charlotte, deadhead, LaGuardia to Charlotte, work, Charlotte, back to New York. And I got a sandwich. It was like 10 bucks. Got a coffee, got my seat by the window, ready to go.
For this flight is Captain Hayes and First Officer Matkins. From LaGuardia to Charlotte, our flying time will be 1 hour and 31 minutes at an altitude of 28,000 feet. Luggage and personal articles should be either stowed overhead or underneath the seat in front of you. To prepare for departure.
You live in a city? 35%, guys. I need some juice. Juice it up. This is all that's left of my lunch. I was so hungry. I didn't even show you guys my lunch. I just ate it. I had a spicy chicken sandwich from Chick-fil-A and some waffle fries and some tea with some Splenda in it. Charlotte Airport, guys. It's busy today. I think I ate my Chick-fil-A too fast because I was hungry and I hurt my stomach. All right, guys, we've got a little bit over an hour before takeoff and probably about 20 minutes before boarding, but there's another plane at our gate, so we're just waiting. So this was a fairly easy day, knock on wood. Nothing. It hasn't even started. I know, it really hasn't even started. We deadheaded in and now we are working our flight back. And then that's it. And then we get, supposedly, and then we get to LaGuardia back at 6 p.m. and I will take an Uber or Lyft and go home.
You may now use your cellular devices. Please use caution when opening over bins as items have most likely shifted.
All right, guys, back in New York. And I definitely smell pizza, but we're back in New York. Gonna get a Lyft and head on home.
What? Wow. Where in Brooklyn are you? Good start.
Okay, I just got a sandwich from there earlier this morning. It was literally $9.99 and I was like not, and it was not good. I'm gonna tell you that right now. That pumpernickel bread was not worth $9. I'm waiting for this to open. You guys, Starbucks is coming. Starbucks is coming. It's a nice night. It's dark out. It's nice. There's a lot of construction going on in LaGuardia. So this is where we catch the Ubers and Lyfts. And these columns. Oh, I love this. I heart NY. This is a well-oiled machine over here, guys. You don't bark at Mom. No. Get in there. Oh, what are you doing hiding there? I smell my favorite candle burning. You guys, these like fresh balsam that smell like Christmas tree are like my favorite candles. Hi, don't jump on Mom. She's got nylons. No. Sit, 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 sit. So I just took Franny out for a walk. And I was like talking to my doorman and then talking to like the front desk and asking about packages and how their holiday season went. And then I get in the elevator and I look in the mirror and I'm like, was this really how I was talking to them? Did this really happen? Guys, got my Party City balloons. So excited. They better like go up though. Right now they're kind of like womp womp, but I think it's because they're in the bags. Guys, this portion of the vlog is sponsored by HelloFresh. Favorite time of the week when I get my HelloFresh meals. So options this week are like a cheese dish, a meatloaf, and as sweet as honey chicken. Ooh, I love that I spend less time meal planning. It's just right here. And it is delivered right to my door. I don't have to go grocery shopping. And can we talk about pre-measured ingredients, you guys? Ah! Guys, HelloFresh is now only $6.99 per serving. Best value and delicious choice. Ah! That vinegar was totally supposed to do that. It was for dramatic effect. Guys, look at this rice. Okay now, I never make rice good. That legit looks like the picture. Yes, I did it. I've worked with HelloFresh pretty much the entire year. I've cooked so many meals. I don't know why I'm always so surprised when the meals look and taste like exactly the way they're supposed to. So guys, get started with 6 meals for free. That's 2 free meals in each of your first 3 boxes. Go to HelloFresh.com and enter promo code FLY60 for a total of $60 savings. Guys, packing this meal for maybe for dinner, because that was lunch. And you guys are probably wondering, why didn't she give that other half of that meal to Bart? Well, let me tell ya. You guys know Bart has been traveling for pretty much all of December. So he didn't get a chance to hang out with his family for Christmas and the holidays. So he flew to Ohio this morning. He flew at like 5 something in the morning. So he probably left, yeah, his flight was at 5:30, so he probably left at like 3:30. I don't even know, I was dead asleep. I'm like, bye honey. So he just flew out there for a day and he's coming back tomorrow. I didn't go because I was assigned that trip yesterday and I was just like running around, and then I still have a lot to do because my brother is coming Monday. So I was like, you know, let me just let you go. Franny, do you like your treat? Do you like your treat? Franny saw me eating my HelloFresh meal and was like, Mom, I want something too. So I had to give him a treat. All right, guys. Let me move this table over. I probably should pick it up and not just like drag it across the table. Guess who has to go in the trash? Guys, I hate to do it, but I have all these New Year's balloons that I ordered, the big like 2019 balloons, and I want to put them in this corner because this is my favorite corner. You know, it overlooks the city. So I have to say goodbye to our Christmas tree. It's really given me and Franny lots of joy. It gave Bart a few days of joy, but I've got to start taking all the little ornaments off. And my brother and his wife are coming Monday. They're coming New Year's Eve into New York City. Oh my gosh, we are not doing the Times Square thing because I know a ton of you guys are gonna be like, go do the Times Square thing. It's not happening, guys. It's not happening. You literally have to get to Times Square at like before 3 p.m. and then they like close it off. They close off the section where you see the ball drop and you see all the performers. So you have to be there from 3 p.m. and they have porta potties in there. I don't know if there's like food and drinks, but you can't leave because if you leave that section, they won't let you back in. So I was like, I asked my brother, I'm like, if you guys really want to do it, me and Bart will sacrifice and we will do it. But I told him, I'm like, tell Claire be prepared. It's not like what you see on TV. The host, like Ryan Seacrest, is in like a heated building. There's no heaters out there. And it's supposed to rain on New Year's Eve. Oh, look. Bart's mom sent Ohio State. Bart did undergrad at Ohio State, and then he did his master's, or no, his business, his MBA at USC. So that's cute. Goodbye, tree. Oh my gosh, these little prickle things. You guys, this is going to be, these are gonna go everywhere once I start taking off the lights. Whoa, that really opens up that area. Oh my gosh, pine needles all the way out the door. I'm sorry, Mr. Christmas Tree, but look, you have a friend. You're all right. Alright, I hope I didn't ruin these. Let's go! Woo! Okay, so those balloons are gonna go there, but I did vacuum up. I vacuumed up this string, so I hope that it didn't break one. What is going on down there? Do you guys hear the sirens? Is it coming from over there? Ah, there it is. Okay. Oh my goodness. I'm like nervous these things are gonna pop. Like seriously going to pop as soon as I open them, or they're gonna wilt. Oh my goodness. Have you guys ever gotten these big balloons before? I've never gotten them, and I've seen them on like Instagram and everything, and I'm like, oh my gosh, those are like amazing. All right, let's see what's in here. I see this is a 9. 2019. Okay, you know what's gonna like pop them? Ugh. This plant. This plant needs to go somewhere else. Okay, so there's 2019. Okay, they do fly up. Guys, perfect. Well, I got the strings untied. I am so smart, you guys. These are gonna be my weights. Okay. Oh my gosh. You guys, I'm like, I love Francis. Do you love it? Are you so excited? Oh my gosh. I wish I had balloons to like fill up the whole ceiling. We're getting ready. 2, can I have you cooperate over there? And look how high tech my balloon weights are. Okay. I am like obsessed. Okay, when the 2 turns, it looks like an S, not gonna lie. Or do we like it better over here? I kind of feel like the 9 is not gonna want to cooperate now. Guys, these balloons, these are no joke. Okay, that looks like 209. So what time did you leave this morning?
It's about 4:30 in the morning.
Oh my God.
I had to get there by 5.
Oh my gosh. I was like dead asleep. I was like, bye. I didn't hear you wake up. I just kind of heard you, like, I think you said something to me. And then I was just like,
Bye.
And did you give me a kiss?
Yeah.
And what did I do?
You said bye?
Did I kiss you back?
Yeah.
Aww. I'm literally the worst procrastinator ever.